Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated September 28, 2022. Indian equity markets fell today amid volatile session. Nifty opened gap down around 16,870 and managed to make a day high of 17,037. Markets were weak on account of weak global cues. At the time of close, Nifty managed to close above 16,850. Similarly, SENSEX tanked down almost 509 points to give a closing of 56,598. Talking about sectors, most of the sectors ended in red. Nifty Healthcare and Nifty Pharma emerged as top-performing sectors with gains of 0.85% and 0.86% respectively. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are Asian Paints, Sun Pharma, and Dr. Reddy. Out of these, two are from pharma sector. Almost every pharma stock showed positive signs today. Top three stocks mentioned above rose by 1.78%, 2.10% and 2.8% respectively. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are Hindalco, JSW Steel, and Axis Bank. They fell within the range of 3.25% to 3.65% respectively. For the recent development in the corporate world, we have Ahmedabad-headquartered Torrent Pharmaceuticals has signed a definitive agreement to acquire cosmetic dermatology player Curatio Healthcare for 2,000 rupees crore. The deal consideration also includes 115 rupees crore of cash and cash equivalents in the acquired business, indicating an enterprise value of 1,885 rupees crore. An integrated cryogenic engine manufacturing facility set up by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited that would cater to the entire rocket engine production under one roof for Indian Space Research Organisation was inaugurated by President on Tuesday. The state-of-the-art ICMF, set up over an area of 4,500 square meters, houses over 70 high-tech equipment and testing facilities for manufacturing cryogenic and semi-cryogenic engines of Indian rockets. India's Oil and Natural Gas Corp has for the first time sold oil through a 3-month local tender, commanding $5 to $8 per barrel more than existing rates under new rules that allow producers marketing freedom. ONGC, the country's top oil explorer, accepted bids at that level through auction of light sweet oil from its western offshore field, including supplies from the country's flagship Mumbai High fields. State-owned BHEL on Tuesday said it has bagged an order from NTPC to set up a 2x660 megawatt thermal power project. The project is to be constructed on an engineering, procurement and construction basis. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited (BHEL) has received a prestigious order for setting up the 2x660 megawatt Talcher thermal power project STAGEL on EPC basis from NTPC Limited. City Union Bank Limited is down for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 170.6 rupees, down 0.52% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. City Union Bank Limited has lost around 4.77% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 16.43 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 33.58 lakh shares in last 1 month. L&T Technology Services Limited is up for a third straight session in a row. The stock is quoting at 3,556.45 rupees, up 1.54% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. L&T Technology Services Limited has slipped around 0.61% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 1.54 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 3.52 lakh shares in last 1 month. DIVIS Laboratories Limited is up for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 3,695.1 rupees, up 0.4% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. DIVIS Laboratories Limited has gained around 3.14% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 1.77 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 3.99 lakh shares in last 1 month.